Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. This is Pooja here. And finally, it's that time of the year jab CAT ke forms, the registrations for CAT 2021 has started. So everybody is pretty excited, kya bharna hai, kaise bharna hai. But just before you start filling your application forms, make sure that you're filling it from your laptop or from a system. Avoid filling these forms from your mobile phone, because these forms, if you see here, is pretty long, right? They have a lot of details to be filled. So mobile se bharna avoid karo. You will need some of the documents in place before you even start filling out these forms. So the thing you need before you start registering for CAT is that you need to have a scanned copy of your photograph and your signature. You need to have all your certificates, that is your category certificates. अगर आप category से belong करते हो तो उसके proofs आपको handy रखने पड़ेंगे, because you will be required to upload them right now. And the payment method that you'll be using, जो भी आपके cards है, debit cards, credit cards, just keep it handy. Plus make sure that you have a good internet connection. Okay, so idhar agar aap dekho, if you go to the official CAT ka website, you will see here new candidate registration. Just click on register. It will redirect you to the CAT 2021 का page. यहाँ पे आपको registration का option आएगा. I have already registered because I wanted to see the form and show you guys the form. तो आपको एक registration का page आएगा wherein you will be required to enter your name, your email ID, your phone number, and there will be a CAPTCHA code. And once you enter those details, they'll send you an OTP for verification. You enter that OTP and you get your user ID and password. Now here you need to be very sure that आप अपना name कैसे spell कर रहे हो, email ID कैसे enter कर रहे हो, mobile number में digits क्या enter कर रहे हो, because all your communication from CAT, whatever official communication you get, will be on those communication mediums only. फिर आगे जाके वो change नहीं होता है. Password भी अच्छे से, they'll send you this text message as well as email for your user ID and password, or फिर you will have to change it by yourself by entering their default password. So when you change that password, don't keep any fancy password जो आप भूल जाओ, because ये एक दिन का काम नहीं है. This will be till your CAT का exam admit card आएगा, आपका score card आएगा, आपका whatever it is, it will be everything by this login ID and username password, right? So make sure that you have all these details very much in place. Enter these details with full accuracy and be very careful while entering these details. Now, after you register, you will be land on this page, which is the CAT 2021 ka page. Okay? Now, the first block is that you have here sections to fill in. ठीक है, तो लंबा form है, थोड़ा शांति से भरना है इसको. First section is the personal details, जहाँ पे आपको name, father's name, mother's name, etc. fill in करना है. यहाँ पे fill in the exact name, spell out your name exactly as it is on your ID proofs, on your mark sheets, because ये भी आगे जाके पंगे करते हैं when it comes to verification during your CAT exam or during your interview calls, right? So यहाँ पे first में वो कर देना. Other personal details like category, यहाँ पे if you belong to some category, you will have to select the category. ठीक है, so just keep those certificates handy. Plus अगर आप PWT category में belong करते हो तो आपको yes no यहीं पे select करना पड़ेगा. If you select yes, then you'll have to specify कि आप क्या क्या यहाँ पे कैसे eligible हो and what is your category here, right? Subcategory. Then communication address fill in करना है, fill it very carefully because this should be the same address which is on your ID proof. यहाँ पे कोई भी lane में, street में, यहाँ पे गलती मत करना. There are times when your Aadhaar card में address अलग होगा या फिर passport में address अलग होगा. So just make sure that one address you fill in all your forms. अगर एक address यहाँ पे भरा है, वही address आप बाकी के सारे forms में भी fill in करो, so that it remains consistent. और वही ID proof आप हर जगह carry करो, ठीक है? So just be very careful when you fill in these details. Now coming forward, emergency contact details. यहाँ पे आप किसी का भी number दे सकते हो जो हमेशा चालू रहे, who is reachable to you. So in case of emergency, they can contact you for this, right? यहाँ पे आपको upload करना है your passport size photograph and signature. Now, when it comes to photograph, they have given these specifications of how your photograph should be. यहाँ पे उन्होंने samples भी दिए हैं. So if you click here for photo specification and sample photos, there's a specific document they've uploaded. You can go through it. They have certain details like background should be white or off-white color ka. It should cover your entire face. It should give the front view. Maximum size उसकी 1 MB होनी चाहिए, JPEG या JPG format में ही होना चाहिए. Also, the most important thing that you need to keep in mind here is that अगर आप photograph खिंचवा रहे हो, उसको अपने phone से या ऐसे ही घर पे खींच के upload मत करो. एक passport size photo, get it clicked, ठीक है, and keep डिफरेंट कॉपीज ऑफ दैट फोटोग्राफ अलग अलग जगह पे, एक कहीं कबर्ड में रखो, एक कहीं और रखो, एक अपने पास रखो, बिकॉज आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज द सेम फोटोग्राफ यू विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू पेस्ट ऑन योर एडमिट कार्ड्स एज वेल. जब आपका कैट का एग्जाम आएगा ऑन November 28th, which is your D-Day, जो आपका एडमिट कार्ड आप वहां लेके जाओगे सेंटर पे, दैट शुड बी द सेम फोटोग्राफ विच इज इन योर कैट का एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. इसलिए वो फोटोग्राफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसकी मल्टीपल कॉपीज करवा के रखना और हर जगह उसको सेव करके रखना. ठीक है. Then you have to upload the scanned copy of your NC, OBC, SC, ST, EWC, EWS certificate, whatever it is, and also PWD certificate, because हमने यहाँ पे select करा था PWD. Now, if you move to the next section, it is your academic section. यहाँ पे भी you need to be very careful. यहाँ पे they have given specific instructions, बहुत clear instructions इन्होंने दिए हैं. So just go through that. इन्होंने क्या बोला है कि if it is your 10th का board, whatever board it is, right? So you have to enter the month and year of completion as per your mark sheet. उसमें कोई भी changes नहीं हो सकते. प्लस मैक्सिमम मार्क्स जब आप यहाँ लिखोगे, इट विल बी इंक्लूडेड ऑफ ऑल द मार्क्स. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई इलेक्टिव है या फिर सम एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट है एंड यू आर लीविंग. नो, यू हैव टू एड इन ऑल द मार्क्स. अगर आपके 5 मेन सब्जेक्ट्स है और 2 एडिशनल सब्जेक्ट्स है, यू हैव टू फैक्टर इन ऑल द 7 सब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है. एंड उसमें से कितने मार्क्स आपके ऑब्टेन हुए हैं, एंड देन व्हाट विल बी द परसेंटेज. Plus, if you don't have marks for 10th standard, if you have CGPA, like if you are a CBSE candidate, right? If you have your CBSE student, तो उनके पास CGPA होता है 10th में. So if you see carefully on your mark sheets, you have that conversion का grade point. You have to multiply your CGPA with 9.5. तो अगर आपको 10 CGPA मिला है तो यहाँ पे 100 on 100 एंटर करके मत आ जाना. That is not correct. You have to put in 95 out of 100. 95 is your percentage. So accordingly अपने boards का convert करना, convert it according to your board का conversion percentage, because during the time of interviews जब तुम्हारे document verification होते हैं तो ये भी verify होता है. Okay. Coming to your 12th, the similar criteria applies here. अगर आपने 12th करा है या फिर diploma करा है, you select it accordingly and put in your marks here. Bachelor degree में again the same thing. अगर आप final year में हो तो यहाँ yes tick करो. If you have completed, then click on no here and yes this side. अगर आपने dual degree करा है तो उसके लिए भी they have given this provision. अगर आपने BTech, MTech या फिर BTech, MSc, something like that, you have done a dual degree. Right? And if you have more than one bachelor's degree, for example, BCom, LLB, BE, BPharm, they've given pretty good examples also here. तो अगर आपने यहाँ करा है, they will give you the option for selecting and filling your second bachelor's degree details also. So fill in very carefully here. Master's degree करा है, they will give you option to fill in that as well. अगर आप यहाँ yes पे click करो, so you will get all these options to fill it. Okay? And other professional degree, जैसे आपने CA, CS, ICWA करा है, so you can fill it here. This is your academic section. Moving ahead to the work experience section. Now they have very specifically mentioned here कि work experience should be as on July 31st, 2021. इससे ना कम, इससे ना ज्यादा. ठीक है, मतलब कम हो सकता है बट इससे ज्यादा नहीं होगा. आपका अगस्त का काउंट नहीं होगा. And only full-time experience after graduation must be entered. अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन से पहले कोई जॉब करी है या फिर कोई इंटर्नशिप प्रोजेक्ट, some part-time job करा है, that will not be counted as your work experience. Okay, so enter this very carefully because ये आपके composite score में ऐसे ही count होगा, like it will be counted as it is. So very carefully select the industry type. अगर आप banking में हो या फिर if you are a IT person, तो यहाँ IT select करके it will get enabled and you select the dates. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप date select करो, for example, if I select any date here and I end it on 31st of July, the number of days will get auto-populated. Just cross-verify these number of days with your actual work experience, okay? And be very careful while entering this because आपका work certificate आपका वहाँ पे check होगा when you go for your interview call or your salary slips. So just mention it according to that. आपके offer letter पे या फिर resignation letter या आपका experience letter उस पे जो dates होगी, mention those exact dates here. Now coming to programs, applicant can select any number of programs, right? So हर program के लिए आपको preference भी fill in करना होगा. What is your interview city preference? And this is after you get a call from this institute for this particular program. अगर आपको IIM Ahmedabad, everybody will fill in, right? This is their agriculture wala program. So that also you can fill it in. So whenever you select any program, you get these options enabled. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी सिटी कोई भी सिटी फिल इन कर सकते हो. द इंटरव्यू का सिलेक्शन इज not at all dependent upon what interview city preferences you fill. तो just don't worry about that. जो भी आपका nearest location है, whichever is accessible to you, just fill that in quickly. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको जो भी program select करना है, just go through their eligibility criteria. If you are eligible, just go for it. यहाँ पे अमृतसर का this is EMBA, that is their executive वाला. They also have business analytics program, HR program. ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. Even Bangalore has their business analytics program here. If you see, if you go to Indore again HRM है उनका. IIM Jammu हो गया, PhD, Kashipur MBA, Kashipur EMBA. If you come to Kozhikode has programs like PGP Finance. This will be the applicants for this CAT 2021. If you get selected, you will be the third batch of PGP Finance and PGP LSM, which is their Liberal Studies in Management wala program. They have their Business Leadership program. They have their ePGP program in Kochi. So, sare institutes which will take in CAT ka score have been listed here. Just select them and select your interview city preferences along with it. Coming to the test city preferences, अब यहाँ पे they have given you 6 options, 6 preferences. आप अच्छे से fill in करो. The CAT का exam या फिर आपका slot या फिर slot allocation or your difficulty level of your examination does not actually depend on any of these things. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने कोई preferred कोई metro city select करी तो आपका slot 1 में हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So just prefer those cities which are nearest to you, because बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स आपको कंसिडर करने पड़ेंगे. अगर नवंबर तक देयर आर सम अदर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस एट योर प्लेस, फैक्टरिंग इन कोविड का सिचुएशन या फिर कुछ और, राइट. सो यू विल हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल दोज थिंग्स. तो अभी आप जहाँ पे हो और आपका नवंबर में जैसे भी होने वाला है, इफ यू आर स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम योर होम, सो इफ यू आर कंटिन्यूइंग देयर टिल नवंबर, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप प्रेफरेंसेस फिल करो. अगर आप घर पे हो और आप नवंबर तक घर पे ही रहने वाले हो, just filling accordingly. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे 6 city preferences you can fill in. बहुत सारे city preferences है. So just fill in your nearest locations. Finally, you have to do the payment. Payment के लिए भी they have listed 2 options here. Either you can do via bill desk or PayU. And दोनों के लिए they have given these transaction processing fees का table अच्छे से बना के दिया है. So just study it carefully. अगर आप यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, if you're using your credit card, they have said that they will take in 1% of your transaction. If you use your ATM कम debit card, तो यहाँ पे आपको taxes और ये जो भी percentage है 0.5% and 0.9% आपका applicable होगा as transaction processing fees. जबकि if you pay for this PayU वाला payment method, there is no transaction processing fees as such. So जो भी है, you can pay it by any method, but before making the payment and before hitting the submit button, you have to preview your application twice, thrice, 5 times. जब तक मन ना माने तब तक उसको अच्छे से देखो, because even a spelling mistake or even one day in your work experience कम या ज्यादा will have an effect in your interview call. Verification में भी problem होता है. Then after you fill in your form, after you hit the submit button, then you have to kind of contact those authorities कि I have to make so and so changes in my form. So that avoid all those things. ठीक है, वो सब झंझट से avoid ही करो ये सब. And fill in very carefully. शांति से बैठ के पूरा फॉर्म एक ही बार में करो, ऐसे मत करो कि टुकड़े टुकड़े में भर रहे हो. Okay. And this is all about your form filling. So fill it very carefully. एक फोल्डर बना के रखो. आज ही जब भी फॉर्म फिल करो एक फोल्डर बना के रखो, wherein you put all your photograph हो गया, signature हो गया, 10th, 12th, graduation, work experience, all your certificates in one place. Because starting now you will be required to fill in multiple times, n number of times. जितने calls आएंगे, जितने forms fill करोगे, जो भी जब भी तुम्हारा admission होगा, everywhere, every single time you have to fill in all these documents. So just make a folder in your computer and save it. Okay. And photograph का ध्यान रखो, it should be consistent throughout. And please put in a recent वाला photograph. बहुत पुराना या फिर बचपन का photograph मत डालना. ठीक है. So that is it for this video. If you have any further queries regarding your CAT application कि कैसे क्या fill करना है, कहाँ fill करना है, if you're not able to understand, just drop a comment on this video and we are happy to help. All the best for your CAT, guys. That's it. Take care. Bye-bye.